Have you ever wondered who invented perfumes and how they came into existence? The intoxicating history of perfumes begins with the ancient civilizations of Egypt, China, and Mesopotamia. These early cultures discovered the allure of fragrances, using them in religious rituals and for personal adornment. The Egyptians, in particular, were pioneers in the art of perfumery, using aromatic oils for both spiritual and aesthetic purposes. Meanwhile, in China, perfumes were a symbol of status and used to freshen the air in homes and temples. Mesopotamia, considered the cradle of civilization, was no stranger to the charm of fragrances either. Perfumes were an integral part of their societal fabric, used in sacred rites and ceremonies. Then came the Greeks and Romans, who took the art of perfumery to new heights. They experimented with various ingredients, creating complex scents that were cherished by the elite and commoners alike. From these ancient beginnings, the art of creating captivating scents has continued to evolve, bringing us to the sophisticated world of modern perfume. As civilizations advanced, so did the art of perfumery. The craft of perfume making was honed and perfected through the ages, with each era contributing its unique flair. The Middle East played a significant role in the evolution of perfumery, with its ancient traditions of incense and aromatic oils. Alchemists of the time took the lead in developing distillation methods, drawing out the essence of flowers, herbs, and spices to create captivating scents. Fast forward to the Renaissance, a period of rebirth for many arts, including perfumery. Europe began to embrace the use of alcohol-based perfumes, a shift that allowed for a longer-lasting fragrance and the ability to blend a variety of notes. This era saw the creation of some iconic scents that remain popular even today. With these advancements, the foundation was laid for the intricate perfume-making process we know today. This rich history is a testament to humanity's enduring love affair with fragrance, a passion that continues to evolve and inspire. In the modern world, making a perfume is a complex and intricate process. It goes way beyond simply extracting the essence of a flower. It's a symphony of science, creativity, and a deep understanding of the olfactory senses. The process starts with gathering the raw materials, which can be natural or synthetic. Natural ingredients are often extracted from flowers, fruits, woods, and resins. Synthetic compounds, on the other hand, are created in a lab, offering perfumers a larger palette to work with. They can mimic natural scents or create entirely new ones, expanding the boundaries of the possible in perfumery. Essential oils play a significant role in this process. Derived from plants, flowers, and other natural sources, they are the soul of a perfume. A single drop can contain the essence of hundreds of roses, or the crisp freshness of a citrus grove. However, they are not used alone. They are carefully blended with synthetic scents to create a unique and balanced fragrance. Creating a perfume is not just about mixing scents together, it's about creating a story, a memory, an emotion, and that's where the nose or the perfumer comes into play. They are the composers of this olfactory symphony, carefully selecting and combining each note to create a harmonious blend. Now let's talk about notes. A perfume is composed of top, middle, and base notes. Top notes are what you smell first, often fresh and sharp. They evaporate quickly. Middle notes or heart notes form the core of the perfume. They last longer than top notes and start to reveal themselves as the perfume evolves on your skin. Lastly, the base notes are the ones that linger the longest. They're usually rich and deep, providing a lasting impression. The creation of a perfume is a delicate balance of science and art, a dance of notes that come together to form an enchanting aroma. It's a journey through the senses, a captivating tale told one scent at a time. The world of perfumes is diverse and vast, with a fragrance for every preference. It's a realm filled with eau de parfum, eau de toilette, and eau de cologne, each carrying their unique charm. Now, eau de parfum, with a concentration of 15 to 20% pure perfume essence, offers a rich and long-lasting scent. It's the choice of those who prefer a more pronounced fragrance that lingers from morning till night. Think of it as the lead vocalist of a band, making its presence felt and remembered. On the other hand, eau de toilette, with a concentration of 5 to 15%, is like the rhythm guitarist. It's lighter, fresher, and perfect for everyday wear. While it may not last as long as an eau de parfum, it harmoniously complements your daily rhythm. Then we have eau de cologne. This is the laid-back bassist of the band, with a concentration of 2 to 4%. It's a light, crisp, and subtle scent that's great for a quick freshen-up. But how do you choose the right perfume? It's like choosing the right music for your mood. You'll want to consider your personal preference, the occasion, and even your skin type. Your personal preference is key. Are you drawn to floral, fruity, woody, or spicy notes, or perhaps a blend of these? It's all about what resonates with your senses. Next, consider the occasion. A daytime event might call for a lighter, fresher scent like an eau de toilette. For evening events, a more pronounced, sophisticated scent like an eau de parfum might be more fitting. Lastly, your skin type plays a role. Oily skin can intensify a fragrance, so a lighter scent might be preferable. On the other hand, dry skin might require a more potent fragrance to make a lasting impression. Choosing the right perfume is a personal journey, a way to express your unique personality and style. It's about finding the perfect symphony of notes that play the soundtrack to your life. In the end, the world of perfumes is a fascinating realm of scents and sensations. As we've journeyed from the ancient times of perfume invention, through the evolution of this fragrant art, to the modern perfume-making process, it's clear that the world of perfumes is a tapestry of history, culture, and science. We've explored the different types of perfumes, from the light and airy eau de toilette to the rich and lasting eau de parfum. We've delved into the intricate process of crafting these scents, which is a delicate balance of art and science. And we've discussed how to choose the right perfume, an endeavor that is as personal as it is enjoyable. So the next time you spray your favorite scent, remember the centuries of art, science, and passion that have gone into creating that captivating aroma. Because in the world of perfumes, every scent tells a story,